What's up guys, Kaiban here. Today, I'm going to address an issue some aggressive riders might face, securing the angle adjustments of the rear truck. If you are experiencing losing angle adjustments of the rear truck, this video will show you how to tighten these bolts more effectively. For easier access, it's suggested to remove the rear truck from the deck. This gives you more space to work with tool. First of all, I can't stress enough the importance of using an appropriate tool. You will need a 4mm Allen key with a long handle. The recommended torque for the rear truck angle adjustment screws is 8 Nm. A longer handle gives you better leverage to apply sufficient torque. Take off 2 angle adjustment bolts completely from the truck. Apply grease to the head of the bolt that contacts the aluminum base plate, as well as on the threads. Avoid excessive grease on the threads to maintain the performance of the nylock nut. The purpose of doing this is to lower the friction when tightening the bolts, so the effective locking torque is increased, meaning that you can achieve higher locking force with the same strength of your hand. Adjust the rear truck to a desired angle and tighten the screws alternatively with long-handled 4mm Allen key. If you have a torque wrench, tighten them to 8 Nm. If you want to apply some Loctite on the threads instead of grease, you can. However, please make sure you use only the purple Loctite, which is of low strength. The blue Loctite may bond the threads with the helicoil inside this hole, and there is a risk that when you unscrew the bolt, the helicoil might come out with the bolt. If you still encounter loose angle adjustments after all these steps, here's a tip that might help. Try some carbon grip paste, which is a sandy textured paste and is commonly used in cycling industry when assembling carbon components. It increases friction between parts without additional torque. Common brands are Finish Line and Markov. Apply a small amount of carbon grip paste to the contact area between the rocker and the base plate. And then tighten the bolts to 8 Nm. By following these steps, you can ensure the angle adjustments are stay secured. Thanks for watching and happy skating!